Hello, my name's James. I've currently been studying the marketing course for 2 weeks. I chose Teesside University because when I went to the open day, I thought that the staff were genuinely helpful and they actually cared about my future. The current module that I'm doing now is Understanding Organisations. It teaches you how to go run your own business successfully and how you can go implement it in the real world. With university, I personally find it's more professional and direct rather than college. At college, I was sharing the classroom with a lot of different people who want to go into different professions, whereas with university, we're all going towards one same goal. Hi there, I'm James. I've just finished my first year of the marketing course. This is what's happened so far. My first year at university has been absolutely wild. I've completed all my modules, I've started my own business and I've made lots of new friends. I've got involved with trips to London and Edinburgh in my first semester. I've also got introduced with Launchpad and created my new business. I've also got involved with things like becoming the student ambassador for the business school, running the business school social media platforms, as well as applicant experience events for all the new people starting university, as well as the Launchpad to go start my own business and help clients up and down the country working with solving their media related problems like running social medias and updating websites. With the help from all the staff and everyone around me at the university, I've made my dream become a reality. Hi, I'm James. I'm back for my second year at Teesside University. Since the last time we met, I've grown my business to a whole new level with TikTok and Instagram growing exponentially over the past few months. My most recent module has been Marketing Communications, working on the Greg's Challenge that will run nationwide up and down the country. The difference between this module and a theory-based module is that everything is doing. We're putting the skills that we learned from year one into everything we're doing in year two. The skill I've developed the most over 2 years here at Teesside Uni is how to go understand the consumers. So with this, it's been highlighted the most in the Greg's Challenge, where we've had to understand 18 to 34-year-olds and how they want their food and what's important to them. All the work that I'm doing is preparing me so well for the world of work, because everything we're doing is now hands-on and very practical. We've learned all the theory in year one and now we're applying it over the span of 2 years.
Hi, my name is James. I'm a final year student on the marketing course at Teesside University International Business School. So my final year has been very different from my first couple of years. It means so much more now in terms of my results and who I am as a person going into graduation. It's been a big step up in how much work I'm actually doing as a whole, and as well as how important and the quality of it. During my module of the Teesside Marketing Clinic, we're working with real deadlines, with real people, giving us the employable skills that we need for the future. Following on from the last video, my business has took a different turn. I'm now working with a cleaning specialist, someone whom I thought I'd never work with, in terms of providing them with marketing material and also promotional material and running advertisement campaigns, growing his business in the real world. I never thought I'd create such a close bond with my tutors. However, with the work and the skills that they provided me for the future, I'll never forget them.
Hi there, as you can probably imagine, today is graduation and I've officially graduated just only about 20 minutes ago. I feel like now, after completing my 3 years at Teesside, that I'm ready to go into the workplace and I know exactly what I'm doing. Whereas if I hadn't gone to Teesside and I'm in the positions I'm in now, I feel like I would be completely out my depth with it. Do you know what I was proud of? Probably like enjoying myself overall and not getting too stressed out with it. I feel like I've had a really healthy balance and I'm really happy with how I've done that. I'm working full-time now, straight after education, which is brilliant. So from that, I'll be conducting marketing campaigns, market research and whatnot, and really applying my degree in my everyday. After my 3 years, I would 100% recommend joining the marketing course because, we've had such a wide range of things that we've been doing and things we've been up to that it's given me for any potentiality when I go into the working world.